Hello guys, my name is Nikhil. So today I'm presenting a project about a voice web agent, which essentially is a voice controlled web automation system. So tell me one thing, how many times have you struggled with helping your grandparents with anything online? It's quite cumbersome, right? So Mm, keeping that problem in mind, I have created this amazing voice control browser automation system, which essentially converts all your speech or instructions which you give via voice into structure, intents, and executables, executes them in the real browser sessions. So just we have to speak naturally, like talking to a person to your computer, and the browser will automatically navigate to that website, perform searches or extract data and automate all your web tasks possible. So overall the system architecture for this project is four ways. So first of all, I'm going to provide a voice input. That voice input is gonna be transcribed using Deepgram, which is our voice service, and then that transcription essentially goes to our LLM, which is our large language model, which understands what I'm trying to say and converts them into a series of intents, or series of tasks you can say, for the browser to do or the automation tool to do. And once those intents, those are passed on to the browser automation towards BrowserBase and or Playwright inside. So those are going to take care of the actions in itself. So I'm here going to show you a very quick demo. So I have already started running the voice web agent in my local. So currently I have stopped the microphone. Once I start, it will start listening to me using the WebSocket. So here we go. Go to google.com and search for Hello World. Amazing, amazing. Yeah. So this is one of the issues I ran into, that I have to prove that I'm not a robot, which is very much I'm not. Okay, I think these are the mountains. So this is the result. So I think almost all of the websites which I have tried are facing these issues of being popping up of captcha or proving that I'm not a robot kind of uh, dialog box. So I'm not able to bypass that right now, but this really boils down to reducing tens of or 15s of clicks. If I give a complex instruction, it will boil down to a single click rather than 15 clicks. So that saves a lot of time, and especially useful for people like my grandparents to just talk to the computer, and computer does all the work. Let me give you a complex example now. So, oh, okay. Let me restart the session. So you just saw that it was still listening to me because I forgot to stop the session. So the session is still here since it didn't pass on the transcription to LLM yet. So the voice agent itself has a understanding that speech can take a longer time. Like me, since English being my second language, I tend to speak a little slower. So transcription itself gives me time and partially transcribes all my words first, and then finalizes the entire transcript and then passes it to LLM. So it is smart enough in that way. So I'll just give a more complex query. So let's see. Go to amazon.com and search for headphones and give me the top 5 results. All right. So the LLM, sorry, the browser base has replied me with the execution being completed and session, all the tasks are executed successfully. So let me just go to my executor. Over here we have artifacts folder, and the latest session was 270. So this one, and this essentially should provide me, it has provided me a PNG, which is interesting, quite interesting. I was hoping that it would return me a table, but I think this also works as well, right? You can, instead of this, do I have anything else for now? No. Okay, so essentially, if you ask it directly for a table of five results or a JSON of five results, it does give a table and JSON, or a CSV or a JSON file, which consists of the top five results, including if they are sponsored. So, but yeah, these are the screenshots of the results which we searched for. So that's a very good artifact result, I would say. So overall, this is the project which can be used almost by anyone. Just go to the repo, voice enabled browser automation, and over here I have given all the steps to install it and set up the environment and run the system on your local. And yeah, um, that would be it. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.